Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Joyan Chano. I'm 29 years old, married. I have 9 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the fourth in the family. I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. I work in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper for more than 2 years. I took care 1 child. The child was 1 year and 6 months that time. I also cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family financially. I hope you like me, ma'am. I'm hardworking, I'm work fast, and I'm willing to learn from you. Thank you and have a good day.